Hi, I'm Jessica Saratelli with the Better Business Bureau. Each day, millions of consumers search online to learn more about local businesses before making a purchase decision. To help you market your business effectively within this new consumer path, the BBB offers an exclusive program that helps you maximize your marketing dollars, called Search Engine Solutions. Here's a quick review of how it works. Search Engine Solutions combines the consumer confidence of your BBB with the power of Google search results. Here's how the program works. A consumer searches for your industry on Google. The BBB has placed listings on Google for these keyword searches. These search results will most often appear on the right side of the page. When consumers click on that BBB link, it will take them to a random list of participating BBB accredited businesses in that industry. Clicking on your business listing takes customers right to your BBB Reliability Report, which not only provides your contact information, but your rating, as well as the trust and confidence your prospects are seeking. Here are some other important points to know about our Search Engine Solutions program. It's an effective and low-cost way to reach consumers who are searching Google for your industry. We can have your sponsorship up and running in 2 business days. There are no long-term contracts, and you can lock in the pricing for 1 year. There's no need to have your own website. Your BBB listing is your online presence. This program is managed in-house by BBB staff. That means we're easy to contact if you have questions. This sponsorship is limited and available on a first-come, first-served basis. Only a few are available in each industry to allow your business to stand out as much as possible. You can get started today with low introductory sponsorships starting at $200 per month for a limited time. Now it's time to contact your local BBB representative to take advantage of this program. There are a limited number available, so don't delay. And thank you for taking time to learn more about your BBB's Search Engine Solutions program.